嚟到大家姐戀煮廚房。嗱，俾埋 Shilpa 嘅 butter chicken 你，睇你學唔學到點樣煮呢？介紹埋 Crew Explorer 嘅成員俾你認識啊
！Hi， 我係 Gary， 我係香港人，亦都係一個瑜伽老師。今日咧，我嚟做觀眾嘅，所以我嚟食嘅。
Hi, welcome to Crew Explorer first video production. My name is Kevin and I am the director today. That's why I wore a hat. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Actually, it's nice. I like it.
Yes.
Who are you?
Yasuko です。日本人です。What to say?
Hello all, welcome. This is my home, and today my very favorite colleagues are here to support me as we are going to do something very special. We're going to cook something together with Rochelle, who is also a colleague, and she'll be here soon. And yeah, enjoy the show.
Hello，嚟啦，我係大家姐。另外一個就係大家姐。
大家姐喺呢度。
係啦，喺呢度啦。
好啦，大家好，我係大家姐，好開心今日咧就係 Crew Explorer 請我嚟煮個餸仔，咁咧今日同我一齊煮咧係我印度嘅同事啦，阿 Shilpa 啦，佢咧啲印度嘅咖喱，我今日挑佢機嘅，用中國嘅咖喱，不過咧要去同佢請教嘅。
Yes, we're ready to go.
Can you describe your dish?
Oh yes, actually this is a very special dish, you know. This dish is the most Googled dish in the world. So on the internet, if you start Googling this dish, it's the most Googled dish. Any guesses what it is? It has to be a curry, right?
It has to be a curry.
Chicken.
Okay, chicken, curry. Yes, actually this dish was invented in 1948.
1948.
Yes, in the north of India, this dish came across, was invented by Mr. Gujral actually, and he invented this dish in 1948, after which it came down and made a lot of adaptations, and then when it went to the UK,
Right.
they started making chicken tikka masala from this preparation.
So this is the grandma.
Yes, this is the grandma. So yes, today a very special dish we are going to prepare, I'm going to prepare, and that is the butter chicken.
Okay, sounds great. We are looking forward to it.
Yes. All right, let's get started. Now, butter chicken, actually many people say, and I know Yasuko just told me this, that Indian food is really difficult to make. Actually, it's just like Italian food. It has steps. Like in Italian food, you would take it oil, put garlic, put some herbs, put some tomatoes, whatever. This one also has steps. So let's start with our step preparation.
Right.
First thing is our marination for the chicken. Okay, so all we need to do is mix everything in.
It's a yogurt.
It's
just
about,
a plain yogurt.
Yes, just a plain yogurt without any flavor. Give a nice toss.
Wow, full of flavors.
Yes, actually we can marinate this for about 4 hours in the fridge. I actually had done a marination earlier. But
Is it Indian food actually takes a long time for marination? Normally it takes like overnight.
It does, it does. I normally like to marinate chicken overnight. Every kind of marination, like to do that.
So come to your house, it must be by appointment.
Yes.
Cannot be ad hoc.
Ad hoc cannot.
Ad hoc.
Yeah.
Ad hoc nothing.
Okay, so after this is marinated, what we're going to do is normally Indians would put this in a tandoor, which is, that's why it's called tandoori chicken. Tandoor is like an oven, clay pot kind of oven, and we normally do that here. But there is an easier method because not everybody has the oven, right?
Is it in India? A lot of people have tandoor at home.
We do have. We do have, but mostly outdoor cooking kind of thing. But today what we can do is we can cook it on our pan and still get the same taste as you would do it in a tandoor. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how. We're going to cook it. So I'm going to add some oil.
Right.
It doesn't need to be deep fried. It's just going to be shallow fried and a little bit of butter.
Oh, you add butter in.
Yes, because it's butter chicken.
Right.
So mostly this gas is really hot.
Yeah.
And once the oil is hot, we're just going to put these pieces inside.
Wow.
Yes. Now the
Smells really good.
trick is we do not cook this on a low flame. Why? Because if you cook chicken on low flame, it will give out all its juices. Then it will taste like a boiled chicken and not a grilled chicken. So our trick is to make this chicken like a grilled chicken. So we're going to keep the flame a little bit high, on a medium high perhaps, and then start not touching this chicken for at least 3 to 4 minutes. And
3 to 4 minutes. Okay, thank God. I thought
3 to 4 minutes.
hours.
Okay. Now the step 2, which is the gravy preparation.
Oh,
This one-
gravy.
yes, the sauce or the gravy.
yeah.
In India we call it gravy.
Yeah. Very English.
Is it?
Very English.
I see.
Gravy.
Yeah? Oh. All right, so for the gravy, what we're going to do is, if it is about 1 breast chicken, which is about 300 grams perhaps, we would be using these ingredients, which is we're going to add a little bit of oil and
Some butter, is it?
butter. Yes, I'm going to add butter, but a little later because I think it's burning here. And we're just going to add the onions. We don't need to change color for the onions or anything. It's just a simple one. And let's add all the other masalas.
Yeah. Oh, you call it masala.
Yeah, masala is a general term for a
I thought it was
spice.
just a name for a tea.
Oh no, masala tea you mean?
Yeah.
No, masala means a spice in India.
I actually enjoying your homemade
I'm
masala
so happy.
tea.
Okay, this looks all right. I'm going to add the tomatoes in. We saute this for a little while.
And some cashew.
Yes. So would you like to have it a little bit spicy?
Of course.
All right, then we're going to add this chili in
Dynamite.
and some cashew nuts. After this, I'm going to add a little bit of hot water, perhaps maybe just about half a cup. We add hot water here and we let it simmer.
Right.
Okay. Once we let it simmer, I will then cool it down and grind it to a smooth paste, which I have previously prepared, and it looks like this. And now we're going to make the sauce. So for the sauce, we also need So let's get ready for the sauce. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil again. Just about 1 tablespoon. Some butter.
Right.
Adding this to the oil actually gives a nice color.
Right.
It retains the color. And you add the tomato puree.
Wow, smells so good.
And then we add the prepared.
Yes, the blended
blended
sauce.
sauce. Okay, we're 90% done actually, Rochelle.
Didi.
Yes, how did you know that? Taikatseya. Did I say that correct?
Say it again.
Taikatseya.
Louder, please.
I just hope I'm saying that right. Taikatseya.
Didi. I call you Didi.
Yes.
And then she called me.
Taikatseya.
Perfect.
Thank you. All right, so we are going to wait for this to simmer slightly, and then we should be done. Okay, so about 3 to 4 minutes is going to start
it's
bubbling,
bubbling,
and
yes.
yeah, we're almost good with that. Now we can actually add our chicken tikkas that we had prepared. So we can use this. We'll add our. Why not? Let's enjoy.
Yeah.
All right. So we will now add our. What happened? We'll add the garam masala. About a teaspoon maybe.
Yeah.
And so this special one, what I was
Oh,
talking
yes.
about. So this is
You
the
have to-
toasted one.
yeah.
Yes. So I'm going to take a little bit in my hand, and I'm going to crush it. Just like
Wow, show.
okay. And we add it here.
Wow, it's really
Yes.
brings up the flavor and the
Yes.
fragrance of the
That
dish.
is true. Okay, give it a stir. That is the signature ingredient actually in a butter chicken. Okay,
Wow,
looks good.
Yeah, it smells so good.
Yes. Okay.
The color is actually nice, huh?
Yes. Could you please taste and see? We could adjust the seasoning and the condiments at this point. So just
Yeah, I want to taste the one with this.
with the methi.
The maple, yes.
It's hot.
Wow,
What does it need?
really nice, and a honey flavor.
You can?
Yeah,
So does it need anything?
sweetness of the dish?
Okay, so should we plate it out then?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll add a little bit of coriander.
Do you have takeaway boxes?
Yes, of course, why not?
Dine in and take away.
Yes, I'm going to plate out our butter chicken.
Nice 喎，真係。美味しいです，好好味啊！
Right.
真係好好味，真唔係假嘅，唔係
Let's
做
give
話，
it some finishing
又唔會
touch.
好辣，同埋佢嗰個蜜糖咧加落去咧係啱啱好嘅，係真係好食嘅。即係我開頭咧會覺得佢加咗咁多香料咧，可能會有啲辣啊，唔係好啱食啊咁樣，但係又唔會喎。佢嬲尾嗰啲蜜糖咧真係 do the magic，同埋你睇下佢嗰啲 cream 落埋去。
Okay, and because it's butter chicken,
Hi.
it needs butter.
Oh,
Yes.
really? I mean the butter.
Exactly,
Yeah.
just like that. Now it'll melt, and that's how the restaurants will bring it out to you.
What
and
kind of
serve
butter
you.
that you use?
In India, we use a very special butter. It's called Amul butter. But today, we have just used unsalted butter.
unsalted.
Yeah, unsalted.
Yeah,
butter.
because we don't need extra sodium.
No, and we're done.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Bye.